Alright, what's good, you guys? So we're gonna talk about the NQ trade that I took today. I've been trading on Tradeovate. I haven't been trading on much on TradingView because TradingView kind of lags. But let's go ahead into why I actually took the trade that I took today, and what was all my confluences and stuff like that, because this is a learning platform, right? So last couple of months has been bullish. I noticed that price actually closed above the major resistance area, now turned support. Last month, which is January, start the year off. It had actually went over it in December, but let's just focus on what's currently happening. Right, so price actually ended up closing above there and showing big resistance of January. So that was at price 16,355. So let's just go ahead and see what's up on the daily chart. Right. So yesterday, when a new candles was yesterday. Friday actually ended with price showing a little bearish resistance around 18,000. Friday Thursday had actually closed bullish. So I'm just looking for anything to basically correlate with what I'm seeing, because that's how trading goes. And if you know, you know, right? So going into the 1 hour, I had actually drawn my zones up based on the major supply and demand. Let me go ahead. I saw price actually bounce off it 2 times. So I was just looking for potential buy setup. So the fact that I already knew that price is in a bullish momentum, considering the month and last month and everything like that. So, I mean, it was only right to do that. So just going to scroll, see what time. I was actually looking at the charts from about Sunday. I was actually on a chart from about 8:30, right? 8:30. Okay, so I had my actually scalped a few entries on here. So I've been trading on Tradeovate for a minute. So yeah. Okay, so boom. Right? This is my major area here, so I'm looking for price to actually come back down to this area before I actually take my buy setup, because I'm trading from zone to zone. So what happened was, I normally wait until about 10 o'clock before I take my trade, because of the fact that market open is a little bit bouncy. Price is actually not knowing where the fuck to go, and I have to make the smart decision where my money is concerned. Excuse me. And I realized that about 10 minutes past 10, I can see a little bit of stability in the market, even regardless of the fact that you see price here bouncing up. But at least I can look for my major demand zone or major supply zone or my major support zone, and know based off the overall trend of the market from the month or the weeks before, where actually I'm in the week. I know that, okay, this is the last week. So, hey, let's see what life gives us, right? So, I'm here and I'm looking. It's 10. Let me go ahead and scroll. This is a 15-minute chart. So let me just scroll to where that actually happened. Boom. Right, so I have to look into liquidity. I'm just looking for, so I saw the first move up from 947, 945, and I see price go up, but I'm waiting until 10 o'clock. So I see my resistance. I see the fact that price actually hit the demand zone and reacted and gave us a nice little push up with a long wick indicating hey, buyers are taking control of that area, right? So it comes back again at the same time at 10 o'clock. So I'm like, okay, boom, this is what I'm about to do. Actually tried a bit lightly with this because I was actually down on my account. So I was like, okay, how do I properly manage my risk? Boom. So I went up first, whereas I should have let the move run. It would have worked out a little bit better for me. And I caught like from here, this move to this move. This move to this move. And then I think I lost out right here in this overall area. I'm going to highlight in red, because I thought that price is actually going to go back into our demand zone. Lost a little bit, but I was able to still end the day with profit. But yeah, guys, this was how I should have I should have let it bounce from zone to zone. That would have been a smarter thing to do. And I could have just held it for the entire day. But sometimes holding it for the entire day is crazy because see if I held it from, I should have just held it because it would have been just 2 hours worth of holding. My psychologist kind of messed up, but still, um, yeah, guys. I hope this was beneficial to who's watching this video.